Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books, and I'm always happy when we have Māori Language Week because it's a week when I hear lots more of the Māori language around me, particularly on television and radio, and a lot of people have more opportunities to speak about the importance of particularly the pronunciation of te reo, but also just using it more and feeling more comfortable with using it. So I just wanted to tell you what inspires me to use more te reo Māori and to pronounce Māori language correctly, and that is that if we respect the Māori language by pronouncing it correctly, so that's pretty obvious. Why would you pronounce somebody's name correctly? Because of respect. So the language deserves respect, the people with Māori names deserve respect, and the places with Māori names deserve respect. So if we do that and making an effort, we're on a journey, we don't have to get it right all the time, but if we're making an effort and asking people, oh, have I got that right, or I'm not quite sure, please help me, just feel free to ask people who might know about the correct pronunciation, and then they will feel more respected. So if we respect those the pronunciation of those places and those people's names, then we're respecting the culture and the people, and I believe that will really uplift all of us, because it will help people to feel better about themselves, better about the language, and it helps us too, who I'm not Māori, but it helps me because I feel better about what I'm doing. So perhaps you could start that little journey this week in Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori if you haven't already tried doing that, and maybe it'll be the start of something new and big for you too. All the best with that. Ngā mihi, ka kite.